Hey guys, I'll show you how to set up Spotify on the Garmin Fenix 6 Pro. A similar process will work on other Garmin devices as well. So let's start by opening the Garmin Connect app, which I already have open here. And let's go down to Garmin devices. Since I just connected this Garmin device, it suggests to finish the setup, and one of them is setup music. So let's go there. The first step is to connect the Wi-Fi. So let's choose setup Wi-Fi. I'm going to pause here for a moment. So I'm going to add the network and enter my password for the Wi-Fi. So it said it's successfully connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so the next step is to connect to one of the music services. The device supports Spotify and Deezer, but I'm going to use Spotify. And you do need Spotify Premium to use Spotify on your watch. I already have Spotify installed on my Android device, so let's choose Spotify. So if you don't already have Spotify installed on your device, you can select one of the services here and install the service on your device. It seems I already have Spotify installed on the device. Once you have installed the Spotify app on the Garmin device, hold down the menu key and go to music and select music providers and Spotify. It will say open Garmin Connect mobile on your phone to log into Spotify. So this brings your phone to the login page. So I'm going to enter my login details for Spotify here and pause for a moment. Now I have logged into Spotify and it's still asking me to agree to the terms, and it's syncing to the device, and on the watch it says play Spotify anywhere, get started. In this Spotify app on the watch, you can go to add music and podcasts and select that. So here you will see the playlists, and now it's suggesting this playlist for Garmin which I have created on Spotify. So I can still go on the Spotify app. Here you can see the playlists which I have created. So I have a playlist for Garmin which I just created, and it has a few songs on it. Now for demoing, I'll just choose this playlist for Garmin here, and it's saying searching for Wi-Fi network. So it's always using the Wi-Fi connection to download music from Spotify. It's also saying for best performance, plug into a charger near the Wi-Fi router. So it's syncing the Spotify playlist, and well, this is a short playlist. It's quite quick to synchronize, and it didn't use that much battery. But if you're downloading multiple songs, many playlists, it is a good idea to plug into a charger, because the Wi-Fi connection is using quite a lot of power. So now I have this playlist on the device, but if I try to play it, says, it kind of points out that I don't have any headphones connected. So I can choose connect now, and it's saying searching for headphones. Okay, so I put my Chopper headphones into pairing mode. Let's try again to search for headphones. Now it's saying it found my Chopper Elite headphones. I'll select those, and it's saying connecting to Chopper Elite, and my headphones said they are connected. The watch is saying it started already playing one of the songs. So that's a quick demo on how to use Spotify on your Garmin Fenix 6 device. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.